Hey, it's your girl StarShayNicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys read the title, y'all already know what we're here for. So let's just jump into it. Let me start off by saying, y'all, I didn't expect to get anything for Christmas. And before I go on, I hope you guys are having a great 2024 New Year. Let's jump into the video. So first up, I received this Laura Geller makeup eyeshadow palette. So I actually haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to open it up really quick with you guys. If you ever have heard of Laura Geller's makeup, I've never heard of it. And it's called the Delectables Baked Eyeshadow Palette, Earthy Essentials. So y'all know Earthy Essentials is going to probably be like some nice, okay, ooh, it comes in the nice little makeup opening for, oh shoot, excuse me. Oh guys, this is nice. It comes with a good little mirror to do your makeup on. These are the shadows. They are really nice. I love it, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to play, as they say, with this. It has these nice colors: birch, mother of pearl, magnolia, sage, Spanish moss. Oh my god, y'all. Can't wait. When it comes to makeup, I used to be a makeup girly like a long time ago. I'm more so when I pop out or I have an event, I'll put on makeup. So I can't wait to just play in this and see what kind of looks I come up with. Okay, so my next gift I received for Christmas was from my baby. Aww. So my baby, he made this at school. And it says Happy Holidays. It's his handprint as an ornament, and he put beautiful little mini ornaments and colors on it. And it says Nazir 2023. Guys, this is like actually my favorite. I don't care what I show y'all today, this is my favorite. And crazy funny story, he went to school and he had on like this brand new outfit, and that same day I was like, son, please don't get anything on these pants, don't ruin them. And he came back, y'all, with green paint all over it. I'm like, what were y'all painting? They don't give y'all the little aprons or whatever. So anyway, come to find out, he was making his mama a Christmas gift. So I was mad at the time, but I couldn't even be mad. So next, guys, we have this box. So let's see what's in it. Ooh. Oh guys, look at that. Oh, it looks like, is it a scarf? Okay, it is a scarf. This came from my cousin Quan. She's getting kind of predictable. I knew she was either gonna get me something like a Bath and Body Works set, some kind of shirt, blouse, some kind of clothing. So she got me a scarf. I'm not really a scarf girly, but I'm stepping back into my put that you know what on, dress it up for me, make it real nice stage, and I'm gonna incorporate it into my outfit, which you guys will see on one of my vlogs. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see the vlogs and see how I style this. Okay, moving on. So next, guys, we have some shoes, and these are actually from one of my favorite stores. It's from Saks Fifth Avenue. Ooh. And excuse the box, y'all. I got these on Christmas Day. I don't know if I even told y'all, but I threw down. Like, I did most of the cooking, and yeah, I did a lot of the eating too. So that's why the box is a little greasy. But anyway, we'll clean that up. Ooh, guys, look at these. Oh my god, y'all see that? These are some nice sandals. I don't know. So yes, I was gifted spring summer shoes. These are more like some statement piece slides. Can y'all see that? I really like these. Oh my god. It has the Saks Fifth written on the inside. It has a beautiful gold bow. This is more like a metallic gold. I really like these. I'm gonna rock the heck out of these this spring and summer. Definitely summer. And what size did it get me? A 7.5. Let's see if it fits. Let's see. My toes ain't done, y'all. Try me not. Ooh, perfect fit. 7.5. I'm shocked I can raise my leg that high still. And girl, look out of shape. These are so cute. I can't wait to wear them. I feel like I've seen these on another YouTuber or maybe an influencer's page on Instagram or something, but either way, I love them and I can't wait to wear them. Okay, moving on. I received Lancome lipstick, guys. Do you use Lancome? I know Lancome is like a very big makeup brand, but I've never brought it. But we have some Lancome lipstick, and it's in a red shade, and it is in shade 82 Rogue Pigalle. Hope I said that right. I don't know. Oh guys, look at this. It comes in a nice, y'all see that? Wait a minute. Okay, there we go, guys. So it's it has Lancome written on the side in gold. I love that. And I think I showed you guys. So, oh, how do you open it? Oh, okay, I had to press the button. Let's do that again. Fancy. Ooh, guys, look at that. That is nice. I love the gold. I'm a big gold person. I love silver as well. I love it all. And let's see. Okay, guys, this is the shade. It's actually showing up a little brighter than it is in person. Shout out to the lighting of the camera. Okay, so I typically, the shade is showing on the camera. I do wear that shade, but it's actually coming up a little darker. So yeah, I'm gonna actually experiment with this as well. And like I said, stay tuned. In a future vlog, I'll definitely use this. Love it. Okay guys, so I also received a Clinique skin set. It says that it contains a 7-day scrub. Ooh, okay. Moisture surge for replenishing hydration. Take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. And a high impact mascara. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess everyone know that I'm like getting back to me in my makeup and just overall self-care and girly era. But this is a good thing. So let's see. Got it rolled up like a burrito. Yeah, okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is the, y'all see that? This is the Moisture Surge by Clinique. I cannot wait to use this, guys. I literally just filmed I don't say literally, I really don't. So I actually just filmed a skincare routine, just an everyday routine, and I can't wait to use these and see what it gives. So this is the 7-day scrub cream, and I don't understand, so I guess you use it for 7 days. I don't know, but stay tuned, because like I said, we're going to do an updated skincare routine, and I'm going to give you guys a good honest review on this because it might be life-changing. Clinique is also a well-known brand, and I heard that Clinique is real good for skin, so I'm going to see. This is the High Impact Mascara, and once again, I can't wait because I've actually, not intentionally, have been like, not slacking, but I definitely have cut back on wearing lashes. I only wear them same as makeup when I pop out or there's an event or something. I'm mostly like a natural girly when it comes to like makeup and stuff. Like for a natural everyday look, the only thing I would rock would be individuals, because I know when you get individuals they actually last a long time, and my gloss or Carmex, because I don't go nowhere without my Carmex. But yeah, I really want to use this. This will come in handy for days when I don't have my lashes done, which I'm actually going to get back into just the real me and starting to either do my own lashes and go get them done as well, because I live for individuals. Scripts come through in a clutch, but I'm team individual. I also received some Dior sample palettes. I'm guessing that the person wants to they didn't know my shade, so I guess they want me to like see what matches the best. It's just telling you all the deets here, and this side is a sample palette to help you find your shade. And so I'm guessing whoever got me this, they wanted I'm guessing they didn't know which exactly shade I was, so I guess I'm supposed to get back to them. Yeah, I'm guessing I'm supposed to get back to them and let them know so I can get me a full bottle of Dior. I was going to try Dior anyway. I have to upgrade and clean out my makeup bag anyway. I actually received some MAC. Y'all remember back in the day, it still is low-key But y'all remember when that Ruby Woo dropped back in the day, maybe like 10-11 years ago? Everybody was on that red Ruby Woo. Oh my god, y'all, look at this. So I got this cute little MAC gift makeup bag. That's cute. I guess you pull it. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. But yeah, it's just a little gift bag. I guess to store your makeup essentials in on the go. So this is what actually I have. Y'all see that? So this is actually in the shade 301, a little tamed. I guess I ain't tamed at all, but anyway. So let's open it up. Ooh, okay. Okay. Now it's not as bright as Ruby Woo, but it actually is like it's more of an off red. It's not electric or bold, but it's actually, I hope y'all can see that well. Wait a minute, because the camera is trying to get me instead of the product. Okay, so yeah. So this is the MAC lipstick I received. And yeah, I love MAC. MAC has like great quality products. All of those things I receive actually are from some great brands. I'm a little excited and I just can't hide. Sorry, I like to shake my boobs. I'm a little excited about this. Sorry, hold on, cord break. Cord for the, oh, that's not sponsored. Manifesting, just manifesting future endeavors. I love cord. Ooh, y'all excuse me. Had to get a water break. So last but certainly not least, this gift was a gift to myself. I actually wanted to get myself this a year before, but I didn't do it. So this year I was like, let's do it. I started to get it last year, but I was like, nah, here is my last and final gift I got for Christmas. And it is the drumroll Sony ZV-E10. I got a brand new vlogging camera, guys. Yeah, big one. Purr. The Sony ZV-E10, guys. Big one, not the little one. Look at the box, y'all. I can't believe it. Look at it. Mine is actually in the color of white, and I'm in love. I am in love, guys. And it actually does, as you see on the box, it actually comes with a lens. I'm gonna look into exploring some other lens because I want a wider lens actually. But yeah, guys, I got me a Sony Z to the D. Oh, what? Sony Z to the E to the D. Sony Z. I said that backwards. Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, and I'm not gonna unbox it right now because I'm actually gonna do a whole separate video on that. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. I did like peekaboo. I already opened it and looked at it and everything. I'm just so blessed and grateful and thankful for just life. That was my biggest thing because I really, my wish list, which I was gonna let you guys know, like some great gift ideas and my wish list, but it didn't happen. It's okay. I just really wanted just for my children to be happy, safe, and at peace, and have everything they wanted. That was my first wish. And then my second one was, I'm going through a certain little dilemma, so I just really wanted my freedom, and I just wanted to be able to still be with my children and celebrate the holidays. I did get that gift as well. And it was a couple of other things, non-materialistic wise, but this is what I wanted. This is what I needed. And y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so excited about the new year 2024, just with my journey here on YouTube and just in life period. Like, I hope everybody is having a great start to 2024, and if you haven't, there's always tomorrow to get it right. And y'all, like, I'm about to be creating so much. Prepare to be sick of me, because I'm about to just be creating out of my shins. Thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, I'm StarShayNicole. I hope you guys have a happy and blessed 2024. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and tell me what you got for Christmas. Also, what do you think is the best gift that you saw in this video that I received? And I hope you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.